Currently here in Irosin, Sorsogon. Oh. And so it looks like this is almost an abandoned park. I mean, there's a lot of flowers, lots of plants, but behind it there's a big um, I can't believe it. Like all the trash, the plastics are there. Like a landfill of trash. And also, I've only seen few animals. We have the eagles, ostrich. We also have the python and Bambi. We have deer. I don't want to be emotional talking about Bambis because in Minnesota, Bambis are just everywhere, you know. You can see them all over the place.